Big news. MindStudio now has OpenAI's GPT-1.5 Image ready to make new images for you in MindStudio. Let me show you where it is. You may recognize this agent. This is an image iterator agent. And one powerful thing about GPT 1.5 Image is similar to Google's Nano Banana. It is very good at iterating on the same type of image, making edits, but keeping everything else in the image consistent in look and feel and without making any other changes. So I thought I would test this out. Let me show you where you can make this change in this image iterator agent. By the way, this image iterator agent is available in MindStudio templates. So go look for it there if you don't have it already. Come over to this generate image block. Click on this block like I already have selected here. Select model settings, which is below the prompt. And select OpenAI. And then select GPT Image 1.5. So one thing that you will notice, though, is GPT Image 1.5 is a bit more expensive than Google's corresponding flagship image generation model. Here we see that GPT 1.5 image is $10.29 per million tokens and $41.16 per million tokens output, while Google's is 13 cents per image. So there's a big price difference, but let's splurge and check this out and see how well this works. So let's try this out. I'm going to publish this. And now I'm going to select an image. So let's see what this does. To change the image, but keep the cats of the same style. Let's see how well it complies with this prompt. So this looks like it did pretty well. It kept the same drawing style, but made it a cyberpunk scene. So this is great. This is a really powerful model. I like how the cyberpunk fish are in this pond. And I love that we now have this model, along with all the other image generation models in MindStudio, available to us as the same day that it was released yesterday. Also, as part of today's release, separately, we have Google 3 Flash, which is the corresponding version of Google 3 Pro, but at much lower cost and faster speed. So we keep adding these new models all the time. Keep checking back and find what new models that you can use at your discretion for your agents. I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching.